In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a Jupiter verified token on Pump.fun. If you've already launched a token on Pump.fun and you want to make it look more trustworthy and easier for people to recognize, getting verified can help a lot. A token does not need verification in order to be traded, bought, or sold, but the verification badge can help reduce confusion, especially if copycat tokens or scam versions start appearing. The first thing you need to do is make sure your token meets the basic requirement. Your token should already be launched on Pump.fun and it should be actively tradable. This is important because the verification process is meant for tokens that are already live, not ones that are still in planning or have not yet gone public. Once you've confirmed that, head over to the official Jupiter verification portal, also known as the VRFD portal. This is where you'll begin the request process. Be sure you're using the official site so you don't accidentally submit your details somewhere unsafe or unofficial. After that, submit your verification request. During this part, you'll be asked to provide your token's smart contract address, also called the contract address or CA, along with your project's X account handle and a few other basic details. Make sure everything you enter is accurate and matches your project branding, because consistency helps reviewers understand that your project is legitimate and organized. Next, you'll need to choose which review path you want to use. There are two options. The first is standard review, which is free and goes through a manual community review process. This can be a good option if you're not in a rush and you want to go through the normal route. The second option is express review, which is designed to be faster and more automated, but it requires burning 1,000 JUP tokens. So before choosing, think about your budget, your timeline, and how quickly you want the badge. Finally, don't ignore community engagement. Even if you use Express Review, Jupiter still places a lot of value on real community interest and public support. That means it helps if your community is active, talking about your project, and showing support across social platforms. Strong engagement can make your project look more credible and alive, which is exactly what verification systems tend to reward. So in short, make sure your token is live and tradable on Pump.fun, go to the official VRFD portal, submit the required token and project details, choose either standard or express review, and keep building visible community support while your request is being considered.